Starting with Microsoft Office 2003, photo editor was renamed to, the answer is Picture Manager, that is B. Next, is Microsoft Works is part of the Microsoft suite? Answer is no. Next question. A feature of MS Office that saves the document automatically after certain interval is called autosave, that is C. Next, what was the HTML editor that was part of Microsoft Office until 2003? That is answer C, front page. Which feature is used to make selected sentence to all capital letters or small letters? The answer is change case, that is C. Next question. Which of these software operations was not part of the first version of Microsoft Office? Answer is Outlook. Next question. To go to a specific location in a document, what we use? We use bookmark, that is answer C. Next question. Office 365 is now the most popular cloud application in the world, but when did it debut? So the answer is 2011. Answer C. Next question. Which one is the most suitable reason to use macro in the MS Office, that is Word, Excel, PPT, etc. to automate repetitive marks or repetitive task also here? So answer is this. Next question. Superscript, subscript, strike through are also known as they are known as font effect, not the font, that is answer B. Next question. Can we edit a macro programmatically after recording it? Yes, we can. We can edit macro after programmatically after recording it. Next question. We can start MS Word by typing -- in the run dialog box. The answer is winword.exe, that is answer A. Next question. A Microsoft Office user who has been certified by Microsoft is called MOS. What is the full form of MOS? Answer is C, Microsoft Office Specialist. Next question. Name the application under the MS Office software bundle that we can use to create audio visual presentation. And the answer is MS PowerPoint. This is the application under MS Office. We can use to create audio visual representation. Let's see the next question. Can we use a keyboard shortcut of our choice to a macro? Yes, we can use or assign keyboard shortcut of our choice to the macro. Next question. Which one is the spreadsheet application that comes with MS Office software group? The answer is MS Excel. We can guess the answer by word spreadsheet here. So some questions are easy, but some questions are important, and it is important to remember these answers. Sometimes the answers are a little bit confusing. So next question. We can apply border too. The confusing option here is all of this. Sometimes all of this answer is not correct, but this time all of this option is correct because we can apply border to paragraph, table, cell. So option is all of these. Next question, what is the shortcut key to open a dialog box? Open a dialog box. The option is C, Alt plus F12. Next question, you cannot close MS Office application by dash dash. So answer is close from file menu, that is answer D. We cannot close the MS Office application, that like MS Word, MS Excel, by close from file menu. Next, by default footers are printed on. So by default footers are printed on all pages. So option is C, all pages. Next question, the options portrait and landscapes comes under. The options these portrait and landscape are the page orientation options which comes under page orientation, that is answer B. Next question, which shortcut makes selected text italic? So we can guess answer, but answer is Control I, because I is the initial letter of spelling italic. Next question we will see now, which key combination is used to insert a line break? The answer should be Shift Enter. This used to insert a line break. Next question, name the desktop database application that is a part of MS Office suite. So the answer is MS Access. This is a database application provided by MS Office suite. This is the important question. So which menu group will use if we want to change the typeface of selected text? So the answer is format menu or format group is used if we want to change the typeface of selected text, that is answer C. Next question, we have copied an image from one document. Now which shortcut we will use to paste it in another document? The answer is Control V. Generally Control V is used to paste anything we copy from clipboard. Next question, what does the function key F12 do when you are using MS Office, that is Word, Excel, PPT? The answer is option A, open save as dialog box. Open save as dialog box. Next question, this is the question about gutter margin and it is important, so I will put a star here. So gutter margin is used to, the gutter margin is used for adding space to binding side. So option is C, adding space to binding side. Next question, name the word processing application that comes with MS Office. The word processing application is MS Word. All of us is known and it is easy to guess because MS Paint is not the answer. It is not possible. MS Excel, it's a spreadsheet. It works in the values or data. MS PowerPoint is for presentation and audio representation. So MS Word is option correct. Next question is, suppose there is a text in a document that is bold red in color with green background. We want to apply all of this formatting to another paragraph in one go. Which option will we use here? So for this type or for this operation, format painter is always used. This is also important. The question about format painter is always comes in the exam. Any exam, that is banking exam or placement preparation exam. Next question: which key combination is used to insert a page break in MS Word? If we want to insert a page break, then there is a difference between line break and page break, and we have to insert if page break, then we use control enter, and for line break we use shift enter, so not to confuse with this both. Next is we can keep multiple versions of a word document in a single file by using dash dash. So answer is track change. This question is, which shortcut is used to select the entire text? So control all, that is control A, is option to select the entire text. This is next question. What is the shortcut key to search for any spelling mistake on a document? The function key 7. The function key, that is F7. Next, which one of these is a valid font style? Style is regular. This is a regular is a font style. Subscript, superscript, strike through are the font effects. Next question: we can search a document with a keyword. Can we search text by formatting? Yes, we can search a document with keyword, and also we can search a text by formatting also. So answer is yes, of course. Next question: which of the following is not a kind of page margin? So gutter is not a page margin. All of these are center, right, left are page margin types. Then next question is, gutter margin can be set to the gutter margin can set to left and top. So left and top is an option, that is D. Next and last question here is, what is the range of font size available in font size drop down toolbar? So the answer is B, that is from 8 to large 72. So we should also keep in mind that what is the largest size and smallest size the font toolbar provides us. So these are the 40 important questions on MS Office. Don't forget to subscribe.